Yes, my name is Pamela Reeves. I just want to make a statement to the community regarding the entertainment after. I think it's been misconstrued, taken the wrong way. Me and my husband, we were so excited about Miss Lou getting back in that we just wanted to do an afterward party, and I offered, free beer and free entertainment after the meeting. But I think some of the citizens of Gordon, they took it the wrong way as a bribery or whatever. But it wasn't a bribery. Some of the citizens of departments, they came to me saying they didn't have a way to City Hall, so I offered to take them to City Hall, but nobody showed up, and I guess it was just a misunderstanding as far as the beer or free beverage or whatever. But I just wanted to make sure that there was clarification as far as what was going on.
Okay, and you mainly doing this because you just want to set the record straight because you are straight, am I correct? You
That's
just want to
right.
just trying to do the right thing, but you were very happy that they had reinstated, am I correct?
Exactly.
Okay, and you just trying to show some type of the way you felt. You just want to show
Some type of appreciation.
appreciation. Yes. Okay.
For the people that did that's been coming out and supporting our mayor.
Right.
I just want to get back to the community.
And what's your name?
My name is Pamela Reeves.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.